Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is a continuation of my 2023 designs where I am showing you the refresh of all of my bathrooms. This is the second of 3 bathrooms that I'll share with you. If you haven't seen the previous bathroom, I'll make sure I have it linked at the end of this video so you can view that as well. This is just a simple come clean with me where I've refreshed the bathroom for the new year. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for all the support that you've given to me in 2022, and I hope that you will continue throughout the 2023 year as well. If you are not a subscriber, please take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button. Do click your notification bell and do click it twice so you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. What I'm sharing in this video is not only the home decor, but the character of this space. So I simply chose a color palette to refresh the space that would make the area comfortable and cozy. I've chosen light gray, white, and green as my accent colors. You might remember, if you've ever watched any of my videos, that the color palette series will allow you to bring a design together, ceiling to floor and floor to ceiling. And as I continue to pan this room, you will see that the character is already there where I didn't need to do a lot. This beauty right here is my copper soaking bathtub. I absolutely love it. This side of the bathroom is my husband's space. He really doesn't like a lot of decor on his side, so I always decorate his side very minimal in order to make sure that is how he wants it, because home decor is just not about decorations. It's about functionality of how you use the space. I'm going to continue to pan the room to show you how this space came together. Please continue watching. Here's another special feature of this bathroom. This bubble chandelier just absolutely makes this space complete. All of the light white specks you see on the chandelier is from the lighting. The chandelier absolutely completes the space in that it matches perfectly with the copper tub. This wrought iron mirror or piece of artwork that you see, that's also another signature piece for this area. Not only does it give the space a nice decor look, but keep watching. In another video, I'll show you that when you open it up, it's actually a portable makeup station. So as you can see, the character is here. All I needed to do is put in a few home decor items to make it unique for us. Thank you again for stopping by the channel. If you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, click your notification bell, click it twice, and you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. This is Freddie, Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.